Hello everyone, it's Talk World. Today I made a really spicy shrimp ramen. Was I think the most so far by far most spiciest ramen I made. Still I can feel it, and then I remember and taste it, and it's just into my mouth. So spicy. And then so I don't want to have another spicy food for tonight because I already had it for enough for lunchtime. So I made some mild dish, which is this. I'm gonna call this one potato carrot stir fry with the sauce I made it. Um, so the sauce is 1 spoon of the ketchup and 1 spoon of mayonnaise and then 1 spoon of yellow mustard, and I mixed together. And then this one is a potato, about three peeled potatoes and 1 carrot. I cut it off and then I stir fry with the 3 spoon of the vegetable oil and then 1 spoon of butter. Okay, so let's try out this. It's pretty see, it's very brownish. And then this one is carrot. Okay, so let's try this for you. Okay. It's very soft. Let's try this. This carrot. Man, it's melting. Let's try both together. This fry sauce is really pretty good. Oh. Oh. The carrot is it's a little bit crunchy inside, but that's okay. You know? Because you can taste texture out of what this potato is really soft and like a melting. Good choice. The sauce is fantastic. Wow. Wow, it's really good. Good combination with the and you guys should try out this instead of dipping it. Oh, that's kind of hot. Oh. Just if you go when you go the hamburger place, McDonald's or Burger King or any other In and Out, you can get a fries, regular fries. Those fries you can dip in, outside crunch, inside soft. Just put the salt, table salt on it. But this one is a different taste. It's the outside, inside is really soft. And then the butter, melting it, 1 spoon. and then with this special fried sauce, you know, so it's pretty good. Wow, just melting mouth. So good. And then I put the half spoon of salt. The flavor just into it. And then the carrot. This carrot is melting too. Pretty impressive. Man. Like I keep going into, man, that's really good. Potato is pretty good, pretty good. Some potato outside is kind of crunchy too. Depends how well you cook. If you want to have a crunch potato like the store, you can cook more. But I like it's pretty soft one. The sauce is pretty good. Easy to make. 1 spoon of yellow mustard, ketchup, and then 1 spoon of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Just to make it smoother when you go into the mouth. Man. Man. So good. Well, this is one of meal that if you want to have a simple cooking, this is I recommend it that the potato, carrot, stir fry with the sauce. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night, and then see you soon. It's Tag Word.